The production process of carbon fiber rollers can be briefly summarized as follows. 1. Material selection. Choose the appropriate carbon fiber fabric. 2. Mold manufacturing. Fabricate molds based on design drawings. 3. Pre-treatment. Cut, clean, and prepare the carbon fiber fabric. 4. Resin coating. Apply resin onto the mold. 5. Fabric laying. Uniformly cover the mold with the prepared fabric, removing any air bubbles. 6. Curing. Harden the resin under specific temperature and pressure conditions. 7. Machining and surface treatment. Trimming edges, polishing surfaces, and other processes to ensure the precision and surface quality of the rollers. 8. Quality inspection. Inspect the finished roller for size, appearance, and performance to meet design requirements and customer needs. 9. Packaging and delivery. Package the completed rollers for delivery. Thank you for watching.